Hello, beautiful people. Robyn Thomas here, also known as Rooted Robyn. So here I am. It is early in the morning, and I have just washed my pre-poo out. I will link the video to how I do my pre-poo down below so that you guys can watch that. But this is my hair after I have washed it out, and now I'm about to go on to styling my two-strand twist for my twist out. So first I need some water, a spray bottle, some oil, my natural oil mixture. And I just made a shea butter hair or shea hair and body butter that's infused with olive oil that I'm also going to be using for my twist out today. Both of those products are going to be on sale soon. I'll be sure to let you know when those are on sale. Some clips. So I'm just using that clip. Remember, I am not using any products. Remember, I'm not using any combs or brushes to detangle my hair. I've only been using fingers since the beginning of this year. It is March. I am going strong. It's not really hard, actually. So, but I am using the clips to part. So remember, I told you I would use something to help aid my parting if I need to part. So that's what I'm doing, just sectioning my hair off in 3 sections so that I can get my hair to fall the way that I want it to fall. I want more of my hair going to the left side of my head. So that's what I'm doing. And this also kind of helps me when I'm sectioning it off to, I don't know, it just makes it better, I guess, when it comes to installing the twist so that my hair isn't everywhere. So all I'm doing is parting my hair, taking sections. The parts don't have to be neat. I actually like when the parts are not neat for this because whenever doing two-strand twists or a twist out, I don't really want my parts to be shown, just my part on the side. So it works. Okay, so what you see me doing here is I have a sections like medium, large. I don't really know what to call it, but it's this size section. I spray water on it. I'm taking some of my oil. I'm doing the LOC method. So liquid was water. I'm using my oil mix. And now I'm going to take a little bit of the butter. You only need a little. So I'm just taking some and putting it on my fingertips. It was cold. That's why it looks like that. But when you start to rub it in, especially like on the palm of your hands or the fingertips of your hands, it warms up and absorbs really, really well. It was just really cold. It's like 5 in the morning and it's cold in the morning. So yeah, and all I'm doing is twisting my hair down, make sure my hair was fully detangled. That is the combination to a really good twist out, making sure your hair is detangled. Going all the way down, and here you have the twist. So I'm just going to continue to do that for all of my hair. And you guys can just sit back and watch me install my two-strand twist. When installing two-strand twists, whether you're just wearing them or as a twist out, you want to always make sure that the sides are equal to each other. So when I do it, I don't know if you guys were paying attention, but I was feeling along them as I was separating them to make sure they felt like I had the same amount of hair in both hands before I went to twist. This actually really helps too with, sometimes people will get to the end of their twist and one side is longer than the other, and then they want to start borrowing hair. And so that helps with that. So you want to make sure both sides are even. All right, so here are the end results. I don't know how many, but they're just chunky twists that are all throughout my head. They are nice and fluffy. My hair feels so, so, so soft. I love my products. It feels so, so, so soft. So I'm just, oh, and that is the amount of hair that I lost while detangling. Hey y'all, okay, so it has been 2 days since I installed my twist. Sorry I sound like this, I just woke up and just got ready for my day. But it's been 2 days since I installed these twists, and I originally planned on taking them out yesterday. I only wanted to keep them in just until they dry, and I was going to take them out yesterday, but yesterday was really busy with clients and stuff like that, so I didn't have any time to take it out, and I wanted to record it. I could have taken it out, but it would have been really, really fast, but I wanted to record it for the ending of this video. So here are my twists. They are completely dry. Completely dry, and they feel good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use some spray, just a little bit, just to mist my hair, because, because, there we go. That's just what I do. So nothing too drastic. Just spritz it a little bit. And then I'm gonna take some oil, I'm gonna hit this part. Ooh, that's cold. It's cold. It's like 5 in the morning, so. And I'm just gonna hit the rest of my scalp. You know, just a little bit, you know. And then I'm gonna take some, put it in the palm of my hands, and I'm going to rub it all along my hands and rub it all along the hair. This helps with the frizziness, even though I don't really care that much about too much frizz, but this does help when unraveling them, just in case you don't want them to be super frizzy when you're taking them out. So I'm just gonna take this scrunchie and put them all up into a ponytail, because I hate missing twists, and that happens, or it has happened to me. It doesn't anymore because I put my hair in the twist. But anyways, and I'm just going to take it, go the opposite way, right? Undo it like, hold on, ooh, went too many times. Undo it like that, and just boom, you know what I'm saying? Voila, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and I actually like to, while I'm unraveling it, I like to go ahead and separate it. I like to separate it naturally, so I pull it down, and wherever it just kind of comes apart is where I separate it. That helps with frizziness too, without it being so frizzy. So that is what it looks like. Sticking up. And I'm just gonna do that for the rest of my hair. Oh. is it. Listen, it's been a long time since I've done a twist out on my actual hair. Like, that's why I was like, okay, this year I'm definitely going to dedicate this year to styling my actual natural hair because, well, other reasons with other videos, and I'll make sure to link those below because those really explain to the extent on why. But because it has been forever since I have worn my natural hair in just a twist out. Like, a twist out is like the go-to for people. Like, twist outs, high puffs and stuff like that. It's like, okay, I can't do nothing, I can do a twist out. So it's been literally forever since I have worn my natural. That is so cute. Since I've worn a twist out, you know, on my, I cannot remember the last time I did an actual twist out. But one of the reasons I like to go ahead and separate as I'm doing it, one, because I don't want to miss separating any pieces, and then it's already like fluffy and ready like once I'm done. I just realized that taking my time along the process make things so much easier, and then figuring out what I can do to make time go by faster or to not make it take so long. So I just usually do everything at the same time. Like, the same goes like whenever I am, what's that say? Oh, like, sorry, like the same goes whenever I'm detangling my hair. Like, as I'm taking my hair out, sometimes it just depends on what I have planned or how I'm feeling. But for the most part, when I'm taking my hair out, I go ahead and like detangle it. Like, as I'm taking my hair, like when I would have box braids and twists and stuff like that, because I don't want to have to go back, and because I'm extremely thorough if I'm doing it as I'm taking it down. So, but yeah, these are my results. They are so cute. It is so cute. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, nice. Okay, so thank you all so much for tuning in today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Share it to somebody else who you think they enjoy this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos that I have pertaining to my natural hair. And also on this channel, I upload videos sometimes of what I'm doing to my clients and explaining things about protective styles. So if you are interested in any content like that, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on whenever I do upload a video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next time. Peace and blessings.